And we continue to look at stories affecting you right now because it's time for part 2 of our Money Monday segment. Right now, we're going to take a look in just a moment at the myths of airfare purchasing. To help us with that and to take a look once again at your stocks, please welcome the president and CEO of Great Lakes Credit Union, David Seeger. Welcome back, David. So we're starting a little bit down this morning, but not exactly a bad thing.
Not a bad thing, coming off record highs as of last Thursday. So a little bit of profit taking, as it's called. So there's some selling going on right now in the pre-markets. Not unusual. I expect this to reverse itself later today and probably into tomorrow.
And for people who may have took a long break last week, what did these record highs mean, or what do they mean for the stock market as a whole? Because I know we hit some records last week, and you can see we're almost at that 17,000 mark right now.
It's a reflection of optimism in the economy. Boy, things are looking a lot better. We hired a lot more people last month than we have before, so consequently, good times are rolling, and this is a reflection of that.
And speaking of good times, you could probably say that the best times of flying have gone away. No more free, I mean, they say you get free beverages, but no more free air baggage fees, nothing like that. Everything seems to have a fee attached to it. But there are probably some bigger myths when it comes to purchasing airfares. Tell us what some of those are.
In fact, there was a study done by cheapair.com, and they looked into a lot of those myths that we talked about. First one being last-minute fares.
Okay.
The idea is, well, if you wait till last minute, there's a lot of empty seats, and then I can pick up a seat really cheap. Not the case anymore. With the consolidation of a lot of the airlines, what they've done, there's not a lot of, if you've been on a plane lately, there's not a lot of room.
No, you are definitely going to be in that middle seat if you check in too late.
If there is a middle seat left. So consequently, the last-minute fares is not a good idea anymore. It's not going to work for you. Also, planning too far ahead. It is recommended that you plan no more than 60 days ahead to lock in a price.
60 days, folks.
Exactly, because at any rate, anything before that, you're not guaranteed that price. They can change it on you from there.
Okay.
So hidden fares that save money, not the case. A lot of people go from website to website to see, okay, if I can get a better price. They all draw from the same database. So you're not going to find really a hidden fare that's going to save you any money.
Okay.
Talking your way to an upgrade used to work years ago, not so much now.
My mom used to tell us to dress up nicely in case we got bumped up to first class. Never happened.
Not going to happen, no. And it won't happen in the future either. They might get that if you have a lot of frequent flyer miles, but they save it for those folks.
Okay.
And there's no right day to buy. The myth is Tuesday's the right day to buy. It's a cheaper day to fly, but not necessarily the day to buy your ticket.
Interesting.
The study says there's really no difference.
Okay, and we're going through a couple more of these real fast. Let's see.
Airlines run on online deals. Okay, again, like we talked about before, buying an online ticket, it's the same now. If you go to a broker or go online, same price. And bereavement, it's not as cheap a flight as it once was. The break isn't there as much as it used to be.
Okay.
And Saturday night stay, thing of the past. Nobody was about a Saturday night stay anymore.
Really?
For a cheaper price. No, that is done.
All right, some good tips. Thanks so much, David Seeger.